Hey everybody, don't mind my new sunglasses. They're a little odd. Anyway, we are going to play with some makeup today. Definitely can use it today. Some of these things you've probably already seen or whatever, or forgot all about it, and you have it sitting in your drawer right now going old, and I might make you fall in love with it again. Who knows? But this is a lot of stuff that I got from my Sephora and Ulta haul, and yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and let you know what new thing I'm going to be trying, and then we'll fast forward through everything, and you'll hopefully only have like 30 seconds of watching me do my makeup. I got the L'Oreal Paris True Match Super Blendable Makeup. I know it's been out for a while, but this is an alabaster, so I'm hoping this is my color. And I also got the L'Oreal Paris True Match Concealer in Cool. And we're going to try out the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in dark brown. So let's get this stuff on our face. Alright, this foundation might be a little too light for me. Just a little bit. Maybe a shade up from there would have been probably better. But, you know, when you're looking on lines, you really can't tell. It does kind of look makeup-y and kind of powdery looking. But maybe it'll melt into my skin. We're not worrying about the eyebrows. The Anastasia Beverly Hills eyebrow pencil was not bad. It's just not in the right color either. It's too late. It says dark brown and it comes off as red. So at least I get to try it, and when my hair does get dyed back to red, then it won't be a problem. As for the concealer, I got some creasing going up underneath my eyes, but not too terribly bad. It does look a little dry. And it didn't really conceal too much, but you know, I need to play around with this stuff just a little bit more than that. I do have the rest of my face on, except for the eyes and lips. So what we got coming up next is the Maybelline City Mini Palette. I don't know why it's still in the box, but it looks like that if you haven't seen it yet. I don't think I can do one whole eye look out of this because there's 5 shimmers and 1 matte, and I don't think I'm good enough for all that. Then we're also going to try the Marc Jacobs. I have a Marc Jacobs, and I got in one of my boxes a new Marc Jacobs, so depending on how I like this, depends on if it goes in my drawer or subscriber giveaway. And the last thing I'll be putting on is the NYX Lingerie, whatever, glitter. It's a glitter lippie and honeymoon. So let's fast forward through that too. see, where do we start off with? The eyes. Of course, I used my Coastal Scents Revealed 2 palette to start the transition and try to show you guys some swatches. We're gonna act like that didn't happen. It's not broke. Tried to play catch with you guys. I'm sorry. The yellow shimmer wasn't too bad. It was good, but I could make it better with, you know, wetting my brush. So that was pretty awesome. I mean, there's not a whole lot to actually make for a full look. So I tried to use at least half of the colors. I think I used 1, 2, 3, 4 of the colors out of 6. So, I mean, that's still not bad. But I don't know what all kind of eye looks I could do with this. They'd all probably look about the same. I'm noticing there's some transfer going on with the eyeshadow. And yes, I already have setting spray on, so it should be sitting still. There's glitter particles down here, so yay. I don't know. I want to keep playing with it to see if I could get better with this little palette. If not, I'm going to be mad, but, you know, I did buy it on sale. So, alright, on to the mascara. I had to throw the other mascara away, so this one will apparently be in my collection now. The other one looked really gross when I opened it up. I'm not sure when I got it. I think it was when, I don't know, it might have been sometime last year. I could be wrong. But it didn't do too bad with my lashes. Like, you know, you can see my lashes. Except this eye. I don't know. The whole face droops. If you don't pay attention too much in the videos, it does droop. So, but it looks pretty good on the eyelashes. It's not really clumpy, which is good. I don't mind this kind of mascara, but when it makes it look like you only have 3 lashes because everything's clumped together, that is a no-no. The lipstick. You can feel some roughness in it, so you can feel the glitter a little bit. But it is a very pretty color. It's like, you know, that's it where it's not on my lips. So, because, you know, with everybody's having their own little lip color, sometimes lip colors can actually change. But it's not that, oh, I don't know if you can see that. You see that glitter? I just took my makeup wipe over top of that, and it took off the top layer, and the rest of it's just glitter. Oh, that's gonna be pretty when I take it off later on, or maybe when it wears down, it'll look weird. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. As of right now, I'm enjoying it all. I mean, the foundation's not my color. It looks a little makeup-y for my taste. My under eyes they're starting to look drier. I don't know how well you guys can see it, but I'm looking at it. It is sitting funny, and I am tempted to cut bangs so I never have to worry about those lines on my forehead ever again. Who out there would think I would look good with some bangs? Maybe something like a low side swept bang or something just to take the look off of my forehead. Okay, that helped a little bit. Alright, other than that, I'm pleased with it. We'll see how the hubby thinks of it later on. And alright, leave down in the comments any information you have on this palette if you've already tried it before. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. I have a subscriber giveaway going on that you can actually participate in too. And throw me some like and love in the comments, and I will see you all later. Bye.